Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this GIGABYTE Aivia Osmium mechanical gaming keyboard. A couple things I want to note before getting into the box. You get Cherry MX red switches, which are non-tactile, non-clicky, so that you'll get a more smooth and fluid typing experience. And this keyboard also supports USB 3 via your motherboard and has absolute anti-ghosting through their anti-ghosting matrix key switch design, which provides anti-ghosting across all zones of your keyboard so you can input multiple keystrokes at once. And you can also switch up to 5 different gaming profiles using their Ghost macro engine, and you'll be able to download that from their GIGABYTE website. Here's everything that comes in the box. This is the keyboard itself, which I will talk about in just a little bit, but first, the connectors. You get 18-karat gold-plated connectors, your USB 3.0, USB 2.0 plug, and your headphone and microphone plugs. And it all comes with 6.5 feet of cotton braided cable, which gives it extra durability. You also get a palm rest and these 4 customized keycaps. This looks like a shield or heel perhaps, your lightning and fire, always good to have, and your Ghost macro engine software key. And this is your keycap tool, so I'm just going to remove a keycap for you so you can see your Cherry MX Reds as well as your LED. Here's a quick demo on how to install your palm rest. All you have to do is fit it just right and snap it into place. Easy as that, and very easily removable. Here is also a demo of how the keys sound, so here we go. I have the keyboard plugged in so I can show you the LEDs. This is a standard QWERTY keyboard with a number pad, and this button will toggle through your 5 different profiles. It'll change color so you know exactly which profile you are currently on. And over here we have your 5 macro keys, and these are your volume and LED wheels. Just scroll up or down to adjust the volume and click to mute it. Also scroll up and down to brighten or dim your LEDs, as well as click to turn them on. It's just like this. So here's a look at it dimmer and brighter. Now on the back, we have these 4 rubberized feet, so you can elevate your keyboard as well as keep it in place during an intensive gaming session. That wraps up our overview on this GIGABYTE Aivia Osmium mechanical gaming keyboard. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.